Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open your device and install Camscanner from the official App Store. Grant camera and storage permissions so the app can capture and save files. Set the scanning resolution to 300 dpi in settings for clear text and high-quality images. Position the document on a flat surface with even light and no glare. Allow about 2 minutes per page for framing, focusing, and confirming automatic edge detection before proceeding to the scanning step. Open the Camscanner camera and choose Auto Mode for quick capture or Manual for control. Align the document edges inside the frame and tap to capture when the focus is sharp. Let the app detect edges and crop automatically, then review and adjust corners if needed. Apply a filter such as grayscale or magic color to enhance contrast and readability. Repeat this for each page, scanning multiple pages and reordering them before exporting the final PDF. After scanning, tap the Create PDF button to generate a single or multi-page document. Choose the export quality, typically 72 dpi for smaller size or 300 dpi for print-ready output. Use the built-in OCR feature to extract text if you need editable content or searchable PDF. Rename the file to a clear title and add a password for security when required. Finally, share directly via email or Google Drive, or create a shareable link from within the app for easy distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.